welcome to the Stuffed Animal Show. No, I mean the Stuffed Animal Bringer, episode 8. Please enjoy. It's weird how I'm up, but it's still okay. Yoshi, your head's in my face. Yoshi! Oh, I wish we were there soon. I think we're on the stairs though. That was a sharp turn.
It actually wasn't that sharp.
I think we're there. I think. Yeah, we're there. I think the same thing's gonna happen with the bag that it did before. It's gonna tip over. Ooh, getting late outside. I think we should go inside. There we go.
Look, it's the cat. Kitty.
I don't know what said that, but what's the chair sitting? Hey, it's a cat. What? Oh. Yoshi! What? Yoshi, just shut up. Seriously.
You don't use bad language. All because of that video you saw with the sunshine.
What sunshine?
Sunshine Mario game. You don't know about it? Well, Daniel thinks it's so good, but I think it's totally lame.
Okay.
He's weird. Okay, the bike's gonna tip over, right? Here we go, again. Out we go. Hey, ours is not tipping over. Yoshi! Oh my gosh. You just sneezed, Rudolph. My name's not Rudolph. Red Nose. Well, you look like Rudolph.
Oh, especially Claire too. Claire too tough.
Let's go, evil gang. I'll take this dead body. Stop making fun of me or I'll kill you with my own gun. Even though I don't even have any. Fine. You still have to make me tear. What? Come on. Same thing for you.
595 1380. Kristen. 21 Landover Crescent. 160. 5
Where do we go?
3 6.
I guess this will be a good enough spot. At least it's comfy. Come on, gang. Get the dead body. Okay. There we go. Around?
Boss in the shop.
Welcome. Yoshi? It's a dinosaur! Yoshi friendly dinosaur. No such thing as a friendly dinosaur. Time to run! Yeah! He's scared of me. No reason to be. You're a nice little dinosaur. Undo Yoshi. Yoshi. What should we do now? Draggy, what should we do? Well, my guess is go explore the place. It's humongous. How are we going to explore everywhere? See you guys. I'm going to go explore. I'm going to check out around here. I'm going somewhere else. Yoshi! Do you want to come with me, Yoshi? Yoshi. Okay.